Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Byte Big Data. We provide excellent online training globally for big data, Hadoop, machine learning, Google Cloud platforms. So today we are going to talk about the V's, the 5 V's for big data technologies. So let's see what all those 5 V's are. Volume, velocity, variety, veracity, value. These are the 5 V's. Let's understand all of them. First comes to the volume. Volume refers to the amount of data being collected. This is where big data largely gets its name due to the sheer size of the data being collected. The actual size will vary based on the data being collected. For example, the user analytics of the Netflix database will be astronomical compared to the e-commerce data for a small business. But both could be considered big data as it is large amount of data which is being collected. For an example, we can see Netflix. Netflix has over 86 million members globally, streaming over 125 million hours of content per day. This result in a data warehouse which is over 60 petabytes in size. Now let's come up to velocity. Velocity is the speed at which the big data is collected. This speed tends to increase every year as network technology and hardware become more powerful and allow business to capture more data points simultaneously. Like if you'll see Google receive over 63,000 searches per second on any given day. Now let's see the variety. Variety is the different types of data which are captured. This could be structured data such as a first name or the email. It can also be unstructured data such as a product review. In this case, the data must be processed in order to analyze it for a product review. This could be performing a sentiment analysis to determine whether the review is positive or negative. From there, a result of positive reviews could be generated. Now comes to the veracity. Veracity is the quality or trustworthy of the data. There is a little point to collecting big data if you are not confident that the resulting analysis can be trusted. For example, if you are peeping all order data in but also including fraudulent or cancelled orders, you can't trust the analysis of the e-commerce conversion rate because it will be artificially inflated. Now let's see value. Value is the worth of data being collected. Some big data that a business stores may have a little or no value in decision making or improving operation. A company may be required for a compliance reason to capture and store large sum of data which has no value. However, for big data that is voluntarily collected, a business should review exactly what the data is being collected and how it can be valuable to the business. If the data has no value now or in the near future, it may best to simply stop it. Data that has no value can often serve as a distraction and only hinder the data analysis process. So these were the 5 V's of the big data technology. If you really want to know more about it, if you want to have an advanced knowledge for big data technology, you can subscribe my channel on YouTube, which is Byte Big Data. You can contact me on my contact number, which is 8602100200. Another number is 70387811048.